In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to get unlimited amounts of GTA 5 online money. Before I start the video, I'm just going to let you guys know that I'd really appreciate if you hit thumbs up and also subscribe. What's up everyone, I'm your host Isaac Taylor, and today I'm going to be doing a showcasing of solo GTA 5. And it's not just any showcasing, it's a GTA 5 money glitch, which is really awesome because we all have that problem when we purchase that pretty purple Lamborghini and then we are completely broke. So this will totally help you out if you have that same problem as me. Now it's really simple, so if you're not that tech savvy, this glitch should go over pretty smoothly. And even if you have any questions and this glitch does not work for you, make sure to leave that in the comment section below. So basically, it's about glitching Rockstar Games' online servers and makes them send out whatever amount of money and rank you choose later on. It's 100% safe and your account won't be compromised, and this cannot get you banned since this method is anti-ban feature. Now let me explain how this anti-ban works. Simply once you get your money, there will appear a minus in the maze blank account that helps big time to avoid any suspicious activity from your account. And it also won't trigger a flag in Rockstar's database, because just like any other gaming company, Rockstar has a very large server which keeps hold of all of your information. Now make sure to click the pause on this video and go in the description below because this link will be there. Then you will go to the gamertag ID only. You don't need to type in any kinds of passwords, just your gamertag ID, whether it's for Xbox One or even PS4. And choose how much money you need and type the number of the rank which you want. Take note that the maximum rank you get is 999 per gamertag, which means there is a limit, and the maximum amount of money you can get is $9 billion per day. So all you need to do is go to our online GTA 5 server, which is located at /GTA. Actually, to prove this is working, I'll be giving out free money in RP to 5 comments in this video, but only if you do 3 steps. First, like the video, that will really help me out. Subscribe to the channel, and third, just comment your gamertag ID and I'll reply back to you. Remember, this is the first serve giveaway, and once the GTA 5 gamer tags are done, the rest will have to do it by their own for the money server which I mentioned earlier. So be quick. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch the next video, and peace out.